Well. Merch by Amazon. You little devil, you. So it's about 4:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I was doing my normal uploads for today for merch. Just got off of the back of a merch talk show this morning with Margaret and Jeff. I'll leave a link up here. And sure enough, I'm speechless. 1,000 designs I can now upload. I just got tiered up to 1,000. Woo! I'm gonna do the little happy dance. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. This is a major milestone, folks. For those that have been watching me through this crazy journey, I've been doing this for more than a year. It's taken, I have to go back to the videos to see exactly when I was tiered up to 500. I know it's been months, and I've sold well over 1,000 shirts. I'm probably into like close to 2,000 now, but woo! So happy. This is like a major milestone. All the videos before, like all the different like in between things. This is a major milestone, folks. 1,000 designs. I'm now tiered up. I'm super stoked. What does that mean? That means now I can upload 15 shirts, it looks like. Or it might be 20 because I was uploading shirts today and I had 5 designs left. But now it looks like there's 15. So it might be actually 20. I'm not completely sure. I've never been in the 1,000 range. If you guys know what the 1,000 range is, please leave a comment below. But man, this is crazy. Like, my journey started so just from the very beginning, and I've been hustling. There's been days that I just didn't want to work on this stuff, and I worked on it and I talked to people, and I didn't use any tools. I didn't use any third-party programs. I just did this all myself. And I'm just so stoked and thankful. I mean, like, the income that I generate from merch by Amazon is amazing. It's helped me and my family out so much. It is the best thing that has happened for me in my reselling career in a long time. I can't even remember anything else that's been close to being so good to me as merch by Amazon. And every day I've been pushing, every day I've been trying new things, every day I've been experimenting with things, throwing the spaghetti at the wall, and finally today, folks, tier 1,000. So what does this mean also? So what I've heard is that once you get to 1,000, it's going to be a manual process to get over 1,000. I think the next level is 2,000. I'm not completely sure. I think it goes 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000. I want to say I even saw someone with 16,000 one time. And that is insane. That is insane. So my game plan now, I got all these extra slots. I'm definitely going to be making hoodies and long sleeves out of everything that's sold more than 2 over the last 6 months. I'm going to be doing that. Of course, I'm creating new designs every day, staying creative, staying sharp, staying with it, just grinding away. I want to thank you guys very much. Let me know what tier you're on. I would say actually too, guys, go and check your accounts right now after watching this video. And go see if they've been bumping people up, because it looks like I didn't even know they tier up in the middle of the day. Like I said, it's almost 5 o'clock here. And oh my goodness. The journey continues, folks. Just keep pushing. Keep doing it. Those days that you just don't want to work on this, you don't want to upload shirts. I found out so many different ways to like create multiples, things that no one's talking about. And those have been selling like it's crazy. Like I just can imagine like now, double my. I'm so stoked, guys. I'm so stoked. I'm speechless. I'm Chris the Thrift Shop Hustler. I wish you guys merch success. And we'll see you soon. Yes.